Una welcome to Football News, where we carry come on domot. My name is Sarah Chemi. This na the tori. INEC go start voters card registration for first half inside 2021. Governor Sanwo-Olu don bring 2021 budget wey go cancel pension matter for former governors and deputy governors inside Lagos State. On top abroad matter, Oga Joe Biden say Oga Trump dey behave like small pikin as he no wan gree say him don lose. For sports matter, plenty players don show inside Super Eagles football camp for AFCON qualifiers. This na the full gist. President Muhammadu Buhari dey beg agriculture company make dem encourage youths make dem join farm work for the country. This na wetin he talk yesterday for Abuja for National Young Farmer Scheme wey National Agricultural Land Development Authority (NALDA) do for youths wey get eye for farm work. Our president say agriculture na im dey make our back strong and na wetin dey give the country plenty money. Executive Secretary National Agricultural Land Development Authority Mr. Paul Ikone say e no go easy make dem start work again o, sake of say im don dey knack 20 years when dem work last. Say youth wey no get work for no plenty if to say na dem still dey the country. INEC wan start voters card registration (CVR) for first leg inside 2021. Person wey sit down as Oga Ahmed Muazu talk say im go need support and collabo make the registration for go well. He talk say yesterday meeting na to yarn with some political parties wey get election for October 31, but dem gatz go break because of security matter for inside the country. The Nigerian Army say the computer-based pre-selection examination for short service combatant and direct short service commission go start November 14th to 15 centers for inside the country. Person wey sit down as Director Army Public Relations Colonel Sagi Musa don talk say make people wey wan do the exam go check their email, phone numbers for www.recruitment.army.mil.ng from 1st to November 10th. Him still talk say dem don go give new examination and seat numbers. Lagos State Governor Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu talk say na 1.15 trillion naira be the budget for 2021. Im call am budget wey give hope. Oga Governor say the budget na to repair wetin COVID-19 pandemic and EndSARS protests don spoil for Lagos economy. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu wey im sit down with State House of Assembly talk say e go cancel money wey former governors and deputies dey collect as pension for inside Lagos. On top abroad matter, US President-elect Joe Biden say Donald Trump dey behave like small pikin as he no wan gree say him don lose. Oga Biden wey don dey yarn with other leaders for Yankee talk say nothing go make am no sit down for that chair as president of US. Oga Trump don write on top Twitter say he no send wetin TV network dey talk say him lose as him go still win. He say make nobody jollificate until the US Electoral College use their mouth talk on Monday, December 14, 2020. On to sports, Super Eagles of Nigeria get their first training inside Benin Stadium as dem dey prepare to play with Sierra Leone for their Africa Cup of Nations qualification. 16 out of 23 players wey dem say make dem come play the match na im join the training. Captain Ahmed Musa, William Strauss Ekong, Alex Iwobi, Ola Aina and Joe Aribo follow for the training. As we still dey talk, Coach Gernot Rohr don call Shehu Abdullahi wey dey play for Cyprus make him come play for Frank Onyeka wey carry injury for im club for Denmark. Super Eagles wey dey carry first for Group L with plenty points for 2 games go play with Sierra Leone on Friday before dem go waka for Freetown for another game on Tuesday inside Siaka Stevens Stadium. The oga don tell us say make people wey dey sing their song for July 2019 and September 2020. They don add new category wey be Songwriter of the Year. This one na for people wey dey support better music. If you need tori about the 14 headings, abeg waka go www.theheadings.com and all social media platforms. American rapper Travis Scott don talk say him Astroworld Festival go happen for 2021. Oga Travis write this one for social media say because of COVID-19, Astroworld Festival no go happen this year. He say he go tell us this and people wey go perform as the matter dey hot. This na the news wey we get for this o'clock. My name na Sarah Chemi. Una bye bye.